In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a seller on eBay, a vital step in protecting yourself as a buyer. Whether you've had a less than pleasant experience or you suspect a seller may not be acting in good faith, knowing how to manage your interactions on eBay is crucial. So, let's dive in and secure your shopping experience. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the eBay blocked list page. Head over to https www ebay.com/bmgt. Remember, you must be signed into your eBay account to access this page. This is where you'll manage who can and cannot interact with your listings if you're a seller, or start conversations with you when they're less than welcome. Once there, you'll find the blocked bidder/buyer list page. This is where you can take action by typing in the seller's username you want to block. It's as simple as entering their username into the designated field. If you have multiple sellers to block, make sure to separate their usernames with commas for ease of listing. For example, you might input seller123, bad seller 456, and spam store 789 if you've encountered issues with these sellers. After you've entered the usernames, click the submit or save button to apply these changes. Once saved, these sellers won't be able to bid on or buy from you if you're selling on eBay. Additionally, they'll be unable to message you or contact you regarding listings, letting you browse and sell with a bit more peace of mind. While blocking can prevent further unwanted interactions, it's also important to consider reporting sellers who have violated eBay's policies, such as engaging in fraudulent activities, creating fake listings, or behaving in an abusive manner. First, go to the seller's profile or listing page and scroll down until you find the option labeled Report this seller or Report item. This step is crucial in maintaining a safe community on eBay for all users. When reporting, choose a reason that fits your situation best, such as fraudulent listing or abusive behavior. Once you've selected the most appropriate option, submit your report. eBay's trust and safety team will then review it, helping to ensure that the platform remains a safe and fair place for everyone. That's it. By blocking and optionally reporting problematic sellers, you're taking control of your buying experience on eBay, safeguarding against negative interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your eBay experience with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.